Hello cadets, welcome back to this channel. This is Ashwani and today I will tell you everything about Anglo Eastern and what is the latest update regarding their Fab batch. So let's start the video. So the latest update regarding the Fab batch is that they have released their forms for February 2025 batch. So it's a great news for all of you. So I will tell you more about that. What is the latest eligibility criteria? What is their stipend? What is their waiting period? And number of students they are taking. So first, talking about eligibility criteria is that you should have completed your class 12 from a recognized board, and NIOS and open school students are also allowed. So talking about percentage, that you should have at least 70% in PCM and at least 60% either in class 12 or either in class 12 in English. Or if you have done graduation, then if you have completed your BSc with physics, chemistry, maths, or BSc or electronics with physics, so you should have at least 65% in your final year. Or if you have completed BE or BTech, then also you should have at least 65%. So this is all about the percentage criteria. The next thing is that what is the medical criteria. So the basic is that you have 6/6 eyesight, no color blindness, and no speech deformity. And then talking about that, what is the age criteria. So your age should be between 17 to 25, and the number of students that they are taking in February batch is 120. So they have increased their intake of students from the last February batch. Earlier they take 80 students, but from the last February batch. So talking about there, what is the written syllabus. So Anglo Eastern conducts its online examination, but in a center. So it is a computer based test, CBT based test. In this you will get questions from physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude, and little bit of geography or GK. It is not a very hard level test, it is a easy to medium level test, so you can easily clear that. And then you will also have to do the psychometric test. In this you have 1 hour and you have to complete 297 questions. They are easy questions, basically just they ask the normal question, what will you do in that situation, what did you like. So all these questions will be asked. It is not a very tough paper like you are thinking that 297 questions and just 1 hour.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट, ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन आर्ट. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
So you will easily do in 40 to 45 minutes. It's not like you have to think. You just have to read the questions, options, and then click. So it is a very easy level test. So you also have to clear the written examination. Then after 7 to 10 days, if you clear the written test, you will get the mail that you have cleared your written test. After this, you will get email regarding that you have to send all your documents that they need. And after when you submit their documents, after some days you will get an email regarding that you have to write an essay on a topic and shoot a video of 2 minutes that why do you want to join merchant navy, what did you want to join Anglo Eastern. When you complete all these things, you send the mail, and after some date you will get the mail of interview. On the day of interview, you first have to write an essay before going for the interview, and then when everyone submit their essays to the interviewer, they start calling one by one, and in interview they will ask everything, like they will test your PCM knowledge, they will test your GK knowledge, geography knowledge, and all these things will be tested. When all these things will be asked to you, then at last they will ask you maths question, so you also have to solve that maths question. When you clear all these things, they will tell you on the day of the interview that you have cleared the Anglo Eastern test or interview, and then they will send you the mail for the medicals. And after medicals, when you submit the medical reports, then mails will come regarding to a joining letter and all of these things. So when you complete all these process, you can join Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy, a beautiful academy in Karjat. It is one of the best maritime academy in India. So the number of students they are taking is 120, as I earlier told you in this video. And then if I talk about the waiting period, so the Anglo Eastern waiting period is very less. It's near about 1 to 3 months, not more than 3 months. As they are intaking more and more ships, so they need more and more cadets. So with the waiting period is getting very less. And if I talk about stipend, so the stipend for the Anglo Eastern is near about $450 plus. So it varies according to the ships and according to the owners. but it basically ranges between $450 or $750. This is a stipend range. So this is all about the video regarding Anglo Eastern. If you have anything, then you can comment down. Meet you next video. Thank you.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for imucet and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.